Hey guys, today is January 5th, it's the beginning of 2018 and it's freezing in every state, almost in every state in the US. But guess what? I'm on Puerto Rico and today I woke up and I want to go to the beach. For you that are wondering, or in case that you don't know, Puerto Rico is part of the United States and everybody that is born in Puerto Rico got American citizenship. We speak Spanish, but we're still part of the US. It's the same if you are born in a base from the United States in Japan, you're still American citizen. So, fact of the day. I made it, I'm parked right by the beach, but before that I need to go for a light run because I've been eating a shit ton of food this winter like everybody else. So, see ya. Ooh, I just finished my run. I've been here in Puerto Rico for 2 weeks. I haven't done anything but sleep. I spent time with my family. So today I'm coming to the beach like early in the morning, got my run done. I want to throw away all that stress from the semester so I can get ready to start the new one. So, see you at the beach. We're almost there. There it is! Woo! We finally made it. We're on the beach. I was tired of that dry, windy weather from Texas. I like Texas, don't get me wrong, but look at this. Who doesn't like that? I love it. Three things done this morning. I got off my bed, I got tan, and I went to the beach. So I'm happy with my day so far and it's not even noon already. So now I'm gonna head home, maybe take a shower, chill out for a little bit, and maybe see my best friend tonight. Hey guys, I'm back. I took a shower, I'm fresh. I've been at my house all day. I'm just chilling here till tomorrow is Three Kings Day. That's something we celebrate here in Puerto Rico, pretty much to get more gifts. So I need to put some grass in a box so the Three Kings give me a gift and some candy. See you outside. We're getting grass for the camels of the Three Kings, for that's our tradition here. So we can get some candy and some little gifts. So let's get to it.
Lionel.
We got some grass for the camels, for the Three Kings, so we're gonna get some candy, some gifts right tomorrow, Three Kings Day here in Puerto Rico. Hey guys, this is like a week later. This is my last day of Puerto Rico. Vacations are over. I need to go back to real life, go back to school. now my vacation ends. Now I need to go to the airport and get back to school. Finally make it to the airport. A lot of traffic, a lot of stuff going on. I'm like hour and a half earlier, so now I'm going to Florida, then I'm going to Austin to go back to school.